If you want to download Pixlr Photo Editor on your PC and open it as a separate app for easier access, this video will show you the quickest way to do it. This is a simple setup, and it's great if you plan to use Pixlr often for editing photos, creating graphics, or making quick design changes without constantly opening a browser tab. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Now let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to pixl.com/desktop. This is the official Pixlr desktop page where you can install the web app version of Pixlr on your computer. Once the page loads, look for the Install button and click it. This will begin the process of adding Pixlr to your PC as a separate app. After you click Install, Pixlr will open in its own window outside of the browser. It may look and feel like a regular desktop program, but it is still powered by the web. That means it behaves like an app, stays easy to access, and gives you a cleaner workspace than using a browser tab. If you use Pixlr frequently, a good next step is to pin it to your taskbar. That way you can launch it quickly whenever you need it, just like any other program on your computer. This is especially helpful if you edit photos often and want Pixlr available with one click. One important thing to know is that this icon is basically a mini browser tab that links directly to Pixlr. So even though it opens like an app, it still needs an internet connection to run. If you are offline, the app won't work the same way as a fully installed offline program. And that's it. You've now learned how to download Pixlr Photo Editor on PC, open it as a separate web app, and pin it for faster access if you want to use it regularly. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.